A trail of tears, Tid-Bit from Asyrus here. We're going to get a story from Asyrus, the channel for the Native Americans. So one moment, please. Secretive components of the white man were not so secretive. Little did they know, we knew exactly what their intentions were, what their emotions felt like, as nature made us privy to this. For those that listened, became conduits for the happenings of not only the now, our now, but what was to come for the future of mankind. We were the beginning of fostering the energetic network of silence to become something that stirred within mankind, that lay emotionless for years to come, but would bubble to the surface, knowing its time had come. For the leftovers of the white man's sorrow would linger within them. We knew this to be. We knew this would come for them. But they did not. We knew we had our place in the torturous happenings led by the white man. But they were tortured themselves with guilt, with sorrow, with the stain of silence to come. Sufferings haunted them. News of orders of hangings became the stillness of the mind, led by the sorrow of the tears of all of us on the trail. They were not motionless within their hearts, for they too have souls. Yet within the time they spent with us, their egos were one in the same of their minds and hearts. They blended not with the heart, but conquered the heart with fear of the mind. The not knowing of who we are, of what we stood for, the heart that we held, instilled fear that cultivated into actions of torment, actions of the unfathomable. Through time, they came to know themselves, came to know our hearts, through Gaia. They lived with the knowing of their hearts lay upon ours. Through each now moment thereafter, their suffering was more than we could have ever bared on the trail. This too was purposeful, for the silence was sustained by the white man and by us through orders of nature. But this was to become the foundation of the new earth. They too played their part as they were supposed to. We each suffered where and when it was appropriate for the earth to take in these sorrows and plant them as seeds for tomorrow.